What's up, guys? I hope you're doing well. I've just had myself a lovely weekend in Germany, and we are back to look at the crypto markets for April because we've got a few coins that could potentially explode. A few of them also fundamentally ready because of some big news that is coming up. At the moment, Bitcoin is chilling at $28,000, and what's really nice is, of course, we've got so much going on right now, especially with Binance being sued and also the collapse of banks, but we're not really seeing much volume. So we are in a consolidation phase. In my opinion, we can see Bitcoin has now printed 3 consecutive weekly candles ranging between 26.4k and 29.2k. So we're certainly consolidating in a macro rising wedge channel here. So very curious to see, are we going to break through that 29.3k resistance level? So let's crack on to the video. 5 coins I think could potentially do really well and are on the brink of exploding in April 2023. These are coins that you could potentially hold. Of course, it's not financial advice. These suggestions are simply speculation based. So let's have a little look. Coin number 1 is going to be Ethereum. Ethereum staking tokens jump double digits as Shanghai upgrade finally gets a date, which is super bullish. The Shanghai and Capella upgrades, named Chapella, will activate around 6:30 p.m. UTC on April 12, 2023. Per the Ethereum Foundation's latest note, crucially, this upgrade will let Ethereum stakers, including individuals and larger staking outfits, freely withdraw their Ethereum. Currently, that is not possible. The news boosted native tokens for staking projects like Lido DAO, Frax, FXS, and Rocket Pool in the past, so we could probably speculate we're going to see something nice for Ethereum maybe in the short term. Currently, Ethereum is around $1,790, $216 billion market cap, and there's a lot of upside potential still for this coin, in my honest opinion. We can see the highs were way over here at like 4.7k. Looking at the market cap high, it was $558 billion. And I do think it's very possible for Ethereum to hit a $1 trillion market capitalization. Looking at the logarithmic regression band here on the weekly time frame, we can see that we are just coming out that green section, which also reflects an undervaluation phase as well, guys. So really keen to see, are we going to see some continuation up to that key resistance at $2,140? That is a price tag I am looking for with the current play of Ethereum at the moment. Coin number 2 is going to be a decentralized exchange token known as PancakeSwap. You're probably very familiar with this one. $3.71 at the moment, rank 67. Now, the interesting thing is, when we look at DEX coins, all of the top 5 coins are pretty much Ethereum based. We've got Synthetix, Loopring, Uniswap, Curve. PancakeSwap is the only Binance Smart Chain BEP20 network one right there. So I think, when we look at the historical data here, when we go to the price, and see we had the crazy altcoins or kind of hype coin, shitcoin market that we had before in March 2021. I think we are going to see the rebirth and a new inception of PancakeSwap once the bull market is back, when we see more dApps created across PancakeSwap. Of course, some are notorious for being rug pulls, which is not great. And of course, looking at pink sale and things like that, coins on the BEP20 network are sometimes a little bit risky. So I do think we are going to see PancakeSwap go crazy soon. And when we look at PancakeSwap and the fundamentals, we can see the DEX will launch version 3 on BNB Chain and Ethereum. So V3 brings 4 different trading fee tiers, 0.01%, 0.05, 0.25, and 1%, compared with V2's single level of 0.25% as well. PancakeSwap, the decentralized exchange, the DEX with more than 1.5 million unique users, introducing this version 3 is on the Ethereum and BNB chain networks. It's super good. The upgrade platform will offer the cheapest fees for on-chain trades among counterparts such as Sushi and Uniswap, and increase returns for liquidity. So this is super bullish news for PancakeSwap, and we could potentially see this particular coin fly. $681 million market cap at the moment, guys, so we could see it exceed again $1 billion. Coin number 3 is going to be LoveHateEnew. This is a coin that has not even launched yet. I hold about $2,000 worth of it. It is a vote to earn community token where you can basically vote, stake, and earn crypto for getting involved in polls and community polls as well. We can see at the moment this particular coin is worth just $0.000095 US, and in 21 hours the price will be rising to $0.000105. So there are 8 pre-sale phases of this one here, and it's going to launch at $0.0001 for $5, which is also pretty nice profit from current levels. That is the launch price. Of course, it could just stay there for a few seconds, but it could also do a 10x, guys. It could also do a 10x. Look at Tama Doge. Go research Tama Doge, and that was a wild pre-sale that we looked at in the past. It looks really cool. 100 billion tokens, 90 billion sold to the community. Here is what the voting polls look like on this particular meme coin, and the speculation is that you're buying in early into a pre-sale. That looks really fun, community-based meme coin, you know. And the speculation is that it gets launched onto decentralized exchanges and then launched onto, you know, centralized exchanges. And you could potentially see a massive pump once we see more organic volume for this particular coin. Long-term roadmap, which looks pretty decent as well, guys. Do some research on it and have a look at their post pre-sale. The link is down below for this coin. You can buy it on the ERC20 network or the BEP20 network, whichever one you provide and prefer. And all you have to do is connect your MetaMask wallet. The next coin, guys, is going to be Ecoterra. This is a new one. This is really, really cool. They've raised just about $46,000 at the moment. But what I really like about this is that it's actually a carbon offsetting marketplace and also a recycle to earn application where you can recycle products and capitalize crypto for doing so. So it looks very cool. There's 9 pre-sale stages, which means we're seeing that nice increment between each phase, and it gives it a lot of upside potential. So recycle to earn app, getting a carbon offset marketplace, and I think it looks super, super cool. So it's all about scanning the product, then you recycle it, and then you earn through the application. We can see right here a perfect example of how that looks. And it also makes businesses and enterprise look much more green, so it's really good in terms of reputation. Here we can see the team as well. This is another pre-sale coin, guys, so make sure you have a look at the contract address here, which ends in 71391A. The total supply is 2 billion coins, and again, this is on the ERC20 network. So if you want to have a look at Ecoterra, do check it out. The link is down below. Do a bit of research. It's already been audited and KYC'd, so it's 100% secure, and it does look very, very fun. In terms of the tokenomics, we can see this is split as here, 50% in the pre-sale, 5% for corporate adoption, 5% on the team, 10% on the marketing, ecosystem 20%, and the listings at 20% as well. And here is that perfect breakdown where we can see which particular allocations will have vesting periods, which of course helps with downside movement and high selling pressure. The next coin is a new one, coin number 5. This is known as Solar SXP, rank 89. So it just recently busted through the top 100 coins, $475 million market cap, up 26% against Bitcoin. The last 3 months, trading around 0.26, now up to 0.84. This particular coin is flying and it has a lot of potential still because it's just got a $475 million market capitalization. What is Solar XRP? SXP is the native utility token of the Solar blockchain. Users can stake it to secure the network and earn rewards and pay transaction fees on the Solar blockchain. They can also help govern the Solar blockchain by proposing and voting on changes to the protocol, earn rewards for providing liquidity. Additionally, Solar dApps use SXP as their primary currency too, which is super cool. So here is an example of the website, a completely new ecosystem and also blockchain. I think it looks super cool. Solar is a decentralized blockchain using a delegated proof of stake consensus model, which is secured by 53 electric block producers that produce blocks and validate transactions. So a lot to be excited about. Do have a look at that coin as well. I think it's worth researching about. Not many people know about it right now. I would be keen to look at the Etherscan and see how many people actually truly hold this coin right now. But it looks like there's a lot of potential, and you're kind of also getting some theme around it being a green cryptocurrency and already listed on some decent exchanges. Let's have a look at the markets here. Binance as well. So there could be in the pipeline a Coinbase launch for this, which of course will basically pump the price massively once again. If you're new to the channel, guys, I do also have a Patreon page which you can sign up to. There's over 200 patrons now, 277 to be precise. If you want to get access to trading signals just like these ones here, you can literally sign up for as little as $10 per month, and that will give you all the stop loss, entry points, and also take profit zones. And just to show you how some people are doing with the performance, I mean, we're seeing some amazing cards here, so well done to you guys. Thanks to all the new patrons and subscribers on the channel. If you want the pre-sales, the links are down below. If you want the trading insights and signals, the link is also down below to the Discord and the Patreon. So yeah, guys, stay crypto safe. Let me know what content you want to see, and yeah, fingers crossed we're going to see a really nice April. Have a good